It's time for dinner. No idea what to make? Well, you can give this easy and tasty food idea a try. Wok-Style Stir-Fry with broccoli, onions, carrots, and peppers. Easy, tasty, delicious. Here's what's needed for this tasty and easy dish. Before we get started, subscribe to this channel for great easy and tasty food ideas. Thank you. Now let's get started. Gather these ingredients for your wok-style stir-fry. Feel free to use any large pot or frying pan if you don't have a wok. Large broccoli crown. White onions. Carrots. Tricolor peppers. Seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon umami powder, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon ground ginger. 8 tablespoons of sesame oil. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mirin, according to your taste. Rice lo mein noodles or thin spaghetti. Directions. Prepare the fresh vegetables. Cut the broccoli crown into florets. Then rinse and drain. Slither onions into thin strips. Peel and rinse carrots. Cut the carrots. Rinse and cut peppers into strips. Add the sesame oil to the wok. Add the vegetables to the wok. Stir and fry the vegetables to cook them. Continue to stir and fry the vegetables over medium heat. The vegetables should look bright and colorful. Prepare the noodles according to package instructions. Test pieces of the vegetables for doneness and taste. Check the noodles for desired softness. It's ready! Time to enjoy your wok-style stir-fry with broccoli, onions, carrots, and peppers. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more great, easy, and tasty food ideas. Let's eat! Thanks for watching.